hi guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm going out to shoot some content. I'm going to shoot with a friend, so I'm just getting ready for that. It's like 2 p.m. I was supposed to post a video the other day, yesterday actually, not the other day, but we didn't have Wi-Fi, so it was so hard for me to do it. So I think I'm just gonna do that today. And I really like doing this get ready with me, where it's just casual and it's so fun. Very funny. We just wrapped up. We are done shooting here. We're now off to the next location. Hopefully they'll let us shoot there. We really hope so. So cold. I'm like freezing. I'm wearing my jacket. Alright, let's go.
Put your lips next to mine.
Give me those glasses. I need to feel the vibe. You know, these things make me feel like a bad bitch. I'm finally back home, guys. It's 9 p.m. Oh, I thought took off my watch. It's 9 p.m. around 9:30, and I really want to take this off. So it's late at night, and it's quite late, and I'm just gonna answer a few questions I asked you guys. I asked a few questions on Instagram, like content creating question. I'm just gonna answer. I'm gonna have dinner. I know I have like a news anchor setup here, where I'm just trying to edit a video and chat to you guys and have some food and then talk. Okay, so before anything, I just wanted to try this new iced cream tea, and this is what it looks like. It's called Steez. I've never seen it. I saw it at Chandaran and I thought, let's try it. You know what, let me get a straw. This is actually so good. Although it's lightly sweetened, I prefer my drinks overly sweetened. I'm joking, but I really like sweet drinks, but it doesn't have like too much tea. I like the ratio is perfect. Hot water to iced tea ratio. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Okay, so the first question is, this is a question I get a lot. What equipment and editing software do I use now? When it comes to like YouTube videos, I usually use a Canon 80D, which I'm filming on right now. Either like my sit down videos, I use this camera. Then when I vlog, I either use my phone or I use this. But it's so hard walking around with this camera because it's so big and so heavy. I just opt to vlog with my phone, although the quality isn't that big. So just pray for me. I get a vlogging camera later this year, inshallah. I'm putting that out into the universe. Anyway, when it comes to editing, I just use my MacBook, and I use a Final Cut Pro to edit my videos, or Imovie, to be honest, whatever I use. I jump between both. More of a statement, but your content is nice. Thank you very much. Do you think blogging is dead? It depends. You don't have room for a lot of creativity, let me say that, because it's so hard for you to... People would rather watch like a 3 to 5 minute video than sit down and read like an article. I'm sorry, for me, I'd rather watch visuals. What camera do you use? I've just answered. I use a Canon 80D, and the lens I use, like the kit lens that it comes with, it's the 18 to 135 millimeter. It's just the kit lens that comes with the Canon when you buy it. Nothing special, although I would love to upgrade on my lens. Okay, someone else said, how do you find your style of creativity in terms of videos and social media? I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I feel like I've experimented with different styles, and I think I finally found the ones that I'm into. Although that might change like the next couple of years or the next couple of months, who knows. The way I express myself now on my videos and on Instagram, it's very me, let me say that. You can see my personality through it more. Like, it's quirky, it's fun, it's like contemporary, I don't know. Can you do adverts, and what's your rates? So how do you edit your Instagram pictures? PS, love your feed. Okay. I feel like everyone was doing the same thing, to be honest, and I was tired of it. I was tired of Instagram, and I decided to change my feed, and now I fell in love with it all over again. So I feel like sometimes you need that change, and that give you a whole new oomph to your page. So the way I edit them is just the way I would like to express myself now. And what do you use to edit your pictures? Now it depends, to be honest. I'm just gonna give you like the easiest inbuilt phone apps that I use to edit my pictures. I use PixArt, I use Facetune, I use ViscoCam, and I use Snapseed. Those are the main 4 apps I use. Let me know if you guys want how I edit my pics type of video. I would love to do that. Although I've tried, let me tell you the truth, I've tried filming that video like twice before. And where do you shop, and how do you find your style? How did you find your style? Okay, so for me, when it comes to shopping, to be honest, I shop anywhere. I thrift, I buy clothes from like the side of the street, I buy in-store clothes, I ship clothes. Like, it depends, to be honest. My mom gets me clothes, my sister gets me clothes, I wear from my sister's closet. Like, it honestly depends. It's just that I like pairing things differently, like in such a unique way that you wouldn't think, oh, they would look good. But yeah, I shop everywhere. And when it comes to my style, I've never really thought of what my style is, my personal style. Like, I haven't given it a label, you know what I mean? Streetwear, or like classy, or whatever those words are, but I haven't really labeled my type of style. I just express myself. I'm feeling that day. If I want to wear this, if I want to wear something, I'm gonna wear it regardless of anything. Like, if I'm feeling that outfit, I'm gonna wear it. I feel like what helps you dress better is just like your confidence. So I feel like that's like a major key. Is YouTube hard? I don't think YouTube is hard. Okay, to be honest, okay, every field is difficult. It's not easy. There's no career field that is easy, but when you have like the passion and the drive, it won't be as hard, you know what I mean? So I feel like when it comes to YouTube, like for example, the editing, thinking of like video ideas and lighting and all that stuff can be a bit overwhelming, because sometimes you might film a whole video and you don't like the audio, there's not even that. Or you might film the whole video and you're not in focus, you know what I mean? So it's just, I wanted to do like YouTube. I feel like you have to have this passion. You have to be so in love with it that all these other things like don't matter, you know what I mean? All these little obstacles don't really matter to you, you know what I mean? It's just like, they're just your stepping stones to bettering yourself, because you're better in what you do, and you're gonna create more content, and you're gonna, okay, this is getting into thanks for watching. I'll see you guys. Bye.